Hi guys, it's me, Naomi Delva. I'm here with another VagiBIOM product. So I'm here today with the Probiotic Suppository. So we know that our flower pH balance is very, very important. So if you are a woman that experiences lots of yeast infection, perhaps BV, or perhaps your pH balance is always off down there, you need probiotics. And what I love about these is the fact that they're suppositories. So you can put them literally right into where the problem is. We're not taking a pill. So we're putting right where the issue is. We're putting the probiotics and the prebiotics right where the issue is. And what I love about this is it not only helps against bad odor, but it also helps with your pH balance of that flower. So make sure you're taking care of your flower. And it's not just for the people who experience those infections. Probiotics is something that is really good for your microbiome health. And so make sure you get yours today just to prevent anything from happening to your flora. Visit www.vagibiom.com to get yours today.